Welcome to a video by Abron Exports. This is a Vortex Shaker where we have, this is a Vortex mixer or shaker. This is just two positions. One is this where we have the continuous movement, and this is the speed regulator. You can make it to the minimum and maximum. So you can shake any test tube. The more it will be shaking slowly or with the vigorous if you just twist it. But if you have another system, here we have this one system where when we push it, only then it works. Like you see this shaking is only when we are pushing it. See this, there is a shaking, only very small shaking, but when we are pushing it, you see this. When you leave it, it doesn't. See this. Just put a bit of it and it shakes. And the other option, as we have told, direct means full, and this is to push. It says when you push it, only then it works, or it is on direct, and this is direct. And this is a speed regulator. It says speed regulator. You can make it slow or higher speed. This is best is to use it on the slowest, or if you have the rigorous, to keep on increasing as per your requirement. You see this. It can do both like this, where we can just make it round also, or just keep it here. See this. I am holding the top and this is vibrating. See this. Please visit the website and share the videos for the regular updates. Abron01 is our Gmail, abron01@gmail.com. Abron Exports is our website. This is our WhatsApp number 94160200018. Firm name is Abron Exports. You can share the videos and subscribe to the channel and like it. Thank you very much.